I'm going through it. Like, this is what a midlife crisis is called. Because this is, if it is, I'm going through it. But this is the final look. Okay. So now we're going to install the wig because why not? So I already washed my wig. To be continued in a little bit. But this is the final product for now. Guys, we're back. It's been at least an hour. I finally got something to eat in my body. Because your girl's starving. But I'm just over this and I want this to be done. I've been fighting with hair since yesterday night and I'm kind of over it. I don't want to see hair. I don't want to touch hair. Nothing for the remainder of the week. Even though I have to do my hair for my grad in just a couple of days. Guys, if I was for all the girls out there, like I know, like especially like a lot of the black women, like doing our hair is a big part of like our everyday life. But if I could suggest anything, is like learn the basics, learn how to install a wig, learn how to like I literally learned how to like sew wigs. I learned how to make wigs. I can like, you know, if my wig needs to be fixed, I can fix it. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I don't have to rely on a lot of people to put myself together sometimes. And I mean, of course, here and there, like I go get my hair done at this, like, you know, braids or installs.